They're losing tons of money before they even start their own Amazon FBA business. What is up, everyone? My name is Pat Harris and I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller. On my channel, I share tips and techniques that help out with my own Amazon FBA business so they could help you out as well. I also run a FBA Facebook group and there are over 1,700 other FBA sellers and students. So if you want to join, hit the link down below and I will approve your request. But in this video, I'm going to cover all of the horror stories about Amazon FBA, everything that I've seen along my journey, everything I've experienced, all the different sellers that I've talked to, and give you a better idea of what to expect when you're jumping into Amazon FBA so you don't get scammed like a lot of other people out there. They're losing tons of money before they even start their own Amazon FBA business, and FBA has a bad name because a lot of these different scams and services out there. So in this video, I'm going to clarify everything. I don't want to scare you. It's here to just help you and give you a good idea of what to expect. But before we jump into the video, if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, do anything you can to help out the YouTube algorithm so people see my content. It really helps me out, so I appreciate it. But let's jump into this video so I could tell you the good and the bad and give you the whole truth about Amazon FBA before you jump in. Let's go. Alright everyone, we are in my computer and I'm going to go over all of the good and the bad that comes with Amazon FBA. There's a lot of scams out there, a lot of people are spending tons of money and learning the hard way. So I want to break it down so you don't make the same mistakes that a lot of other people are making. Like I said, I was a beginner once and I spent tons of money on courses, and I'm here to protect you so you don't make the same mistakes. So let's get into it. So first off, I see people asking, do I need a course to start? And the truth is, you don't. So you can learn almost everything on YouTube, but the bad thing is you're jumping from video to video, and if you're just starting out, you don't know what you don't know. So you don't know all the different ranking techniques, you don't know what to search, you might be missing information that's very important, and then you learn when you launch your business you never learned about that. So that's why a course is a great guide to follow. It has all the information in one spot, and you're learning from someone who's actually selling on Amazon and had some success. So you are limiting risk, you are limiting mistakes, you might not lose as much money if you learn from a course rather than just go on your own and learn from YouTube. So a course is a great idea to learn, but there's no reason why they should be thousands of dollars. It's all pretty much the same information on YouTube that they recorded and put in one spot for you to follow, but it is a great opportunity to learn from someone who's selling on Amazon. There is value, but there is not a reason why it should be thousands of dollars to buy a course. They make it expensive so you think that you are getting something special, you're going to make tons of money, you're learning from someone who's a millionaire, so you're going to be a millionaire. But the truth is, they are just ripping you off. The more expensive the course is, the more you are getting ripped off. You could go out there and spend $10,000 and learn the hard way, or you could learn it for free or for under $100. That's up to you, but I've heard it time and time again from all of the sellers out there. Never waste your money on an expensive course. It's a marketing technique that makes you think that the more money it is, the better it is, but that is false. The next thing is, I already went over it, is an expensive course better than a cheap course. I went over that. Can't get your money back because a lot of people that spend thousands of dollars on these courses, they can't get their money back because the people that sell these courses know people are going to want a refund. They just spent thousands of dollars and didn't learn all the information they were expecting, and they make it almost impossible to get your money back, and that is really horrible. I sell a course, I'm putting that out there for $99, and I do a 14-day money-back guarantee. I'll even do up to 30 days. I'm not going to hassle you, but a lot of these guys say you have to watch at least 10% of the course. You can't watch over 12% of the course. You have to prove to me that you did this, 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 and they don't want to give you your money back because they're making money on the courses, not on Amazon. So again, that is the main reason why people shouldn't buy expensive courses. And then here I have, can I learn on YouTube only? The truth is yes, but then again, if you don't know what you don't know what to look for, you don't know what to search for, you're spending tons of time watching random videos, so that's up to you. So let's go to the next slide. So fake gurus, fake screenshots, you've probably seen it on Facebook. There's a lot of guys running ads saying that they're making $500,000 a month, or they post in different groups a screenshot of huge numbers. And the truth is, if they're posting those in other groups, if you go to their profile, they're probably selling a course, and that is to try to get you to make you think that you can make that much money if you take their course. So you need to look out for that. There's also a ton of fake Amazon FBA gurus that who knows, even if they sell on Amazon. You could go on YouTube, search Amazon FBA guru, fake guru, whatever you want to type in. But there are tons of them out there, and they are preying on the vulnerable people that are learning to sell on Amazon. A major red flag is you go to their website and it says limited seating. There's only 5 seats left. Take advantage. It's a whole funnel to try to drag you into their free training, which leads to their very expensive course. So don't fall for it. If you start seeing that, that's almost a red flag guaranteed. Or they'll say, I have multiple 6 or 7-figure Amazon FBA businesses. Truth is, if they were doing that good on Amazon, they wouldn't be selling a course and offering mentorship to students. They wouldn't be doing all of this if they're already multi-millionaires. They wouldn't be wasting their time with thousands of students, messaging them, asking for help. That is just not how it works. They're making money on their courses. So they also post Anna made $20,000 in her first month. That's just to get you to buy their course. That's another tactic. And then they have the ads with the free training. And again, it's marketing techniques. They want to drag you in, make you feel special. They want to get on a call with you. And then they're going to ask to see if you could actually pay for their course. They want to make sure you have enough money. And that's how people are getting ripped off. I've seen it time and time again. So I'm just telling you, look out for all the fake gurus out there. Don't spend a ton of money on their course. They try to drag you in with different techniques, and those are some of the red flags. So you're probably wondering, what did I learn from this video? And the conclusion is, don't waste your money on expensive courses. There's a lot of people in groups that say don't waste your money on cheap courses, only buy expensive courses, because they think that the more money the course is, the better it is. So it's up to you how you want to learn the whole process. A course is a great way to learn from someone else who's actually doing it. You'll limit risk, and then a mentorship is actually better. I offer a 4-month mentorship for under $500, but that's because I put in a ton of time. I put in work for my students, and I actually look at the market. Some of these guys charge thousands of dollars for mentorships, and then you ask them a question and they give you a yes or no answer. And if they are saying unlimited mentorships with their course, you have to think about it. So if they have thousands of students with unlimited mentorship, how do they have the time and resources to answer all of their students' questions with actual information and film videos for them and help them out along the way? That's why I limit it to under 20 students for a session. And I do it for 4 months because I actually put in a lot of time and work, and that takes a lot of effort on my end. I'm here to help people, not rip them off and just give them a yes or no answer. And a lot of these gurus that offer mentorship, if you message them, they won't even reply to your message. I get people all the time saying I've spent this much on a course and they won't even help me out as much as you have been helping me out. And I'm helping them out for free. They're not even a student of mine. I'm just helping them out because I'm a great person. But yeah, so that is a conclusion. Don't waste your money. Don't learn the hard way. You could learn the same information for under $100. You could check my link down below. You could learn from someone else. But don't spend thousands on a course because you think the more expensive it is, the better it is. A lot of people are getting ripped off, and that's why Amazon FBA has a bad name. Now again, it is a great business opportunity. Amazon FBA is a great way to earn money. I'm doing it full time, but don't expect to get rich right away. Learn from someone who's doing it. Learn the whole process. Learn as much as you can before you jump into it so you don't lose money. And that is basically it. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Again, all my links are in the description below. Join my Facebook group so you can see my background. Do anything you want. But yeah, hopefully you found this video helpful and you don't make the same mistakes that I have, as well as many other sellers, and you could start your Amazon FBA journey the right way. All right, I will see you later. Goodbye.